All right guys, motor toys. So we are gonna do a few 3S RC drag races. We got a TC3 here with a Mamba X on 3S 5300 kV, associated short course also on a 5300 kV 3S, and then we're going to be running that versus my Stampede VXL with cap packs and mod 1 gearing and street tires, and then also my 5400 kV max 10 Hobbywing Rustler also on street tires. And we're not going to be running this in the neighborhood, but of course we have the 8th Mile Monster here, which is going to be joining us tomorrow night at the track, hopefully, if weather permits. Guys, here come some runs. Call it.
1, 2, 3, go.
All right, call it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I blew a motor.
A motor?
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
That's a race. That's a hell of One, two, three. That's gonna be the most epic video that there is. Well, dude.